Hi everyone, I'm Chef Matthew. I'm from Cilantro Culinary Academy. Today, I would like to show you on how to make chicken roulade with fermented bean curd sauce. First, we're going to make smashed potato. So first, we need to boil this potato together with the skin because we don't want it to lose the starch. So you just put inside cold water and let it boil until it's soft. Okay, now we are going to saute the mushroom. This mushroom is for the filling of the chicken roulade. So we have butter mushroom, we have chopped onion, salt and pepper, and the oil for the mushroom. First, put in the oil first. Then put the onion. Then put the mushroom. Then salt and pepper. Now we're going to marinate the chicken. So I believe last video have already shown you how to debone the chicken. So today I'm using the boneless chicken leg meat. So and we have salt, chicken seasoning, oyster sauce, sesame oil, and light soy sauce. So now we are going to put all these ingredients together with the chicken. And marinate. So if you want to have a better flavor for your chicken, you can marinate it at least 30 minutes before you cook. So now we place the chicken on the aluminum foil and we put the sauteed mushroom, okay, as a fillings on the chicken. Don't put so much, otherwise it will overwhelm it. Then now we start to roll it. Remember the chicken skin always place down. And to start to roll with the aluminum foil. Lock aside. Okay, make sure it is tight. Okay, so now we get ready our chicken roulade and put it in the boiling water and turn to low heat to poach it for about 20 minutes and it will be done. Now we are making fermented bean curd sauce. So we have ingredient of cream, butter, fermented bean curd, chopped onion, and chopped tomato. So first, we put the butter into the pot. Use low heat to melt it. Okay, until the butter has already melted. Put in the onion. Okay, in this process we also call it sweet onion. So meaning that saute the onion without browning it. Then until the onion fragrance come out, put in the tomato. To saute until the tomato is soft. Then put in the fermented bean curd. Then we try to break the fermented bean curd. Okay, now add in cream. Stir well. We continue to stir and reduce it until the cream becomes thick. And now we bring the sauce to the blender and blend it until it becomes smooth. So this is the correct consistency. Now we are going to cook the vegetable. First we put in the carrot into the boiling water first. Because carrot need longer time to cook, it's around 3 minutes like that. And then we put in the bok choy. Now we have done branching it. Take it out from the water. Now we put in the vegetable after branching it. And we season with salt and pepper. So after we have peeled off the potato skin, then we start to smash it. And we put in butter, cream, salt and pepper. And continue to smash it until it's smooth. So after we have unwrapped the aluminum foil, we let the chicken rest for about 15 minutes. Then we bring to the non-stick pan and pan sear it. After we have pan seared it, we slice the chicken roll. It's about 1 finger thick. Okay, now we do some plating on the plate. Okay, after we have placed the chicken on the plate, now we plate the smashed potato. We just using 2 spoons to turn it like that. And put on the sautéed veggie that we have done just now. Last, we put the sauce. And we have done our chicken roll-up. And now, this is the complete dish, that how it looks like. If you like this video, please share around with your friends, and also like us and follow us on Instagram and Facebook page. See you in the next video, and goodbye.